Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make candle slime. So you want to start off with your base slime, and I made this out of glue, just normal Elmer's glue, lotion, and face wash. So, and then you mix this all, and then you activate your slime. I also added some food coloring, but that's optional. I just decided to go with a nice pink because I thought that would be a really lovely color. So what you're going to need is your base slime, which I said before was just a simple base. Then you're going to have a bowl. I just used the same bowl that I used to make my slime, and then some little candles. Okay, so I'm just cutting open like the little thing of the candle with scissors. If you are young, I do recommend adult supervision because when you cut it, it does get a little bit sharp. So yeah, and then the next clip I just sped up because it did take a little bit longer than expected. So you just break it in half and take out the wick and then throw the wick away. And then surprisingly, this low-key had a crunchy effect on the slime before like you microwaved it and stuff. So I just thought you'd want to hear this. And then you also want to get a little bit of a bigger bowl because the slime will expand in the microwave while it's like getting air in it, I guess. So now pop it in the microwave for 1 minute increments. Then you want to take your mixing utensil and mix it around, and then keep repeating the microwave then mix process until almost or all the candle is melted, because the more you stir it, the more the candle gets melted. Alright, so this is what it should look like when you're on your last time in the microwave and your last time mixing before you add the activator in. So this is what it should look like. Little small clumps of candles, but whenever you mix it, they dissolve. And then I just take my activator in a little pipette, which the activator is 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. And just add a few of those and then mix and see what texture like it gets to. Like when it starts pulling away from the sides, that's when you start to reduce the activator. Alright, I'm going to explain. So I dumped it out because it was hot. And this is how I always make my candle slimes. I just dump it out and start spreading it around with my spoon because it just cools it down, so then I don't overactivate it. So I do recommend you trying this method once it's partially activated. Then just pop it in the bowl and put it in the freezer because it can cool it down quicker, so you know if you add enough activator. And then we get to see the texture. So this is it when it's still moderately warm. So this is not the finished texture. The next clip is going to be the finished texture, but it's still like pretty cool. Here's the big finale, and there it is, folks. It's a really good creamy slime, and it made the slime really thick, so I think you'll enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe. Also, please give a thumbs up to this video. Bye!